Hey guys, Frost here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since my last sharing. As always, I think I'm kind of running out of motivation. I don't know what kind of content I should focus on, whether it's fashion, fitness, travel. I think it's more like lifestyle, I would say. And at the same time, I actually got pretty occupied with other marketing jobs. And anyway, today I'm back to my channel to share a very exciting unboxing video with you guys. And ta-da! Here we have this L'Occitane Christmas gift box. Big shout out to Team L'Occitane Malaysia for always making me feel special. This is my third year collaborating with L'Occitane for their Christmas gifting. And I really love their designs. Yeah, you can see this packaging, it's always very thoughtful. And here comes with a little gift card. Yeah, I can see my name for Frost. Gifted with love from Provence. Yes, if you don't know, now you know. L'Occitane is actually a brand made in France. So let's get it started. For that, I would like to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and have a very blessed holiday season with your loved ones. And let's be ready for the new year with an open heart and mind. And are you excited? Anyway, I'm excited. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Wow! I love it. Yeah, I spot something really special this time. Let's take a close up. Yeah, can you see? Here I have the whole signature Almond Body Care series. Oops. Thank you so much for this generous gift. This whole almond series is my favorite. I really love their soothing scent. Yeah, it's so relaxing. I've used this shower oil and also the body cream before, but I never actually get to try this 2-in-1 almond body soap and scrub. It's a really cool design. Yeah, you can have a closer look. Yeah, this is actually for scrubbing your body, and this is actually the soap. I've been eyeing on this product for some time, but I didn't get to try it, and now I'm going to try it. I'm really excited. Yeah, it's a really soothing scent. Yeah, let's unbox this almond body cream. Yeah, I can see here there's one patent pending. Yeah, this is their bestseller, their all-time bestseller. This whole range is their all-time bestseller, especially this shower oil. It's always the #1. If you happen to drop by and visit the store, you can see there's a cabinet that lists what are their top seller. You can see this is always I think in the top 3 products, as well as this body cream. So let me unbox it for you guys. So here, there you go. This smoothing and beautifying almond milk concentrate. I love it. I love it so much. It's actually made of almond milk and also the Provence almond oil. Yeah, so what's so cool about this whole range is their main ingredients almond. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, it's so soothing and relaxing. You guys should try it. It's really worth the investment. Yeah, to me, body care is equally important as your skin care. Your skin occupies I think 70 or 90% of your whole body, right? So ladies, you really should invest in your body care. And I still have a lot to learn talking about body care, but I really think it's important to invest in your body care now, to prevent aging. Yeah, my favorite term must be anti-aging. Yeah, so to keep our skin youthful, healthy, glowing. And that's pretty much for today's sharing. I hope you guys love this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next sharing soon. Wishing everyone a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Let's move into 2022 with love, faith, and courage. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.